Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. We are going to be doing a toddler girl clean and organize. This is kind of foreign territory as I don't show this very often on my channel, and this is why. It is a total mess right now. This just kind of gets to be the room that the door gets closed because we don't spend a lot of time in here. All the toys are in here, as you can see in the baskets, and it's just kind of out of control. So we're gonna tackle this today. We have lots of cleaning to do, organizing, and my toddler is growing out of her clothes. So I'm also going to be kind of rotating the clothes here, pulling the new stuff out and getting the old ones out. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm starting off in her closet here. I am going to just take everything out that doesn't fit her and put it in a separate pile before bringing out the new stuff.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down.
Okay, so now that I have all of the clothes taken out, I'm going to sort it in her closet from, we're currently in winter, so I'm going to sort it from winter at the front and then put the summer stuff near the back so that I can rotate it as the seasons change here. So as you can see, we have all of this extra space right now. This is all of my husband's fancier suits and stuff like that we keep in her closet, as there's no room in ours, which stay tuned as I will be doing a master bedroom closet organization as well because it needs to be done. But for now, this is kind of what we're dealing with. I'm gonna go ahead and get the tub from downstairs, bring that up, and get all of the clothes out that we need for her room. So this is the tub of clothes that we're dealing with. So I'm gonna get into the drawers here before pulling those out, as like this is what we're dealing with here. I just organized this not long ago, the top two drawers, but then they become like this because my kids still like to pull the clothes out. And then this bottom drawer here is extra sleep sacks and clothes that do not fit her anymore, as again, I kind of did this partially not too long ago. So let's go ahead and get everything out.
Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down.
Okay, so I got the drawers emptied. I have three piles kind of going on right here down below me. I have the pile that does not fit her anymore, and then I have piles kind of happening in each of the drawers, and then I have a pile up here, which is all of the sleep sacks and socks that I need to sort through. So we're gonna go ahead and sort through all of this now and put the sleep sacks back in the bottom drawer where they belong.
Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no.
Okay, so I think I changed my mind. Instead of putting the sleep sacks in the bottom drawer, I'm gonna save that space for summer clothes, and I'm gonna put the clothes in. We have this little side thing here that obviously needs to be organized as well, so we're gonna quickly go through this, and then I'm gonna put the sleep sacks in the bottom here where you can kind of see, and then you'll see the door is like right here as it broke off the hinge. So this is like wide open, and so we're gonna clean this up a little bit and see what we can do there.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing.
So all of these are going into their own tub. So we're gonna go ahead and put all of that as well as this pile back into the right tub. Then we're gonna take this one out and go ahead and put them in the drawers.
No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again, again. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. You got me looped about it. You and me, got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars.
Alright guys, now that that is finished, it is now time to do some cleaning, but I'm taking a break. The girls and I and Aaron are actually going to stop and make some gingerbread houses, and then I will finish cleaning the room later. Alright everybody, it is the next day. Yesterday just kind of got away on me, so we are going to tackle this today. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with the baskets below me here. We're just going to tidy everything up, pick everything up, and then go ahead and start washing and cleaning everything.
You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream minds we lay down. It's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I can't see the point of pointing fingers. Come on, let's rejoice of what will come. I have made the choice of thinking bigger. 'Cause you are all that I need. You are all that I need. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Alright guys, now that I got the walls kind of dusted a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and wash the floors using this. And so you just go ahead and dilute this stuff with water and then put it all over the floors, and it helps to oil them and it just makes them look spick and span. There is smoothie all over the floor here, as you can see, and so I haven't done these floors in a really long time. So we're going to go ahead and wash the floors, and hopefully this can give you guys lots of motivation. All right, everybody, that is it for my toddler organize, declutter, and clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more organization and decluttering. I have tons of cleaning motivation coming at you guys here in the new year, so I am really excited for what's to come. So if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button. Again, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Giving hugs and kisses. Oh, so sweet. Oh, can Mommy have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Oh, thank you. You giving kisses? Oh. You gonna help me? Or are you gonna dance? Show me your boobs.